In front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform in-air Elastico. In the beginning, to perform in-air Elastico, start juggling. Now, depending on what area you're facing, if you are facing right side of the pitch, flick the right analog upwards downwards or downwards upwards. If you are facing the top of the pitch, push the analog left right. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.